Hi, my name is Dr. Esther Masharia. I am a veterinarian and also a lecturer at the University of Nairobi. This is actually my first time to have joined the dog walk and joined this dog community in just enabling the dogs to be able to come outside here and enjoy themselves and take a walk and bond with each other. Why is this important? To be very honest, we're getting to a point where we need to have better knowledge of what our dogs need. I think the biggest issue we have currently in Nairobi is we have a lot of people who take their dogs or who buy dogs without actually knowing the most important necessities or the bare necessities of each and every dog, depending also on the breeds, but basically, generally with all dogs. So I think it's important to be able to find a community that enables you to actually interact with other dog owners, interact with vets, interact with breeders, so that you get to actually understand what your dog necessarily needs. And coming here today and getting to interact with the different breeds, different ages, different sizes, it enables the dogs to be able to form their own hierarchy, their own packs, and also to help them in interaction and socialization. Why this is important, now I'm talking from a vet's perspective, is if we look at some of these breeds, they're breeds that tend to have issues of the hips, they're breeds that tend to have issues of the elbows. On one side, what I also do is I score hips. I forgot to say that. But one of the key things when we come here and interact with these dogs is even as the dog is walking, it's not a normal consultation room, but there's a lot that we can be able to actually see from each dog as they walk, from each dog as they interact, from each dog as they are, going about their usual businesses, which may not be the most ideal situation in a clinic. Because sometimes in a clinic, we only have a short window to be able to interact with your dogs. So come enjoy a situation where you get to interact with us, where you get to interact with other dogs, and where we allow the dogs to stay in their natural state and help them actually get better exercise tolerance. We need to get better bodies because, of course, a lot of our dogs tend to be obese. We want to actually get them to run, to be healthy. So yeah, so it's honestly a pleasure just to be here and to get to enjoy it. Thank you.
Okay.